Okay, we're just going to have another go at adding some audio onto our sequence and just show you some of the tools and tips around that. So in my library down here, I'm going to come into my audio bin, and already in here is horror, tension, suspension, risers. If I double click that and I get to have a look what that actually refers to, you can see we've got multiple versions with slight variations. I'm going to play one now. And there are many of those, they're all slightly different. I'm just going to pick one. I'm going to pick one of the shorter ones. So I'm just going to move my playhead there, hit my in point and hit my out point, and I can tell where they start and end because of the waveform here. When it comes back to a flat line, that's when the sound has run its course. And I'm going to take the audio now, and I want to drop it so that it matches up ideally with our Creepy Dan walking. Now, what I would like to do is make sure that the moment of kind of most tension within that music lands with when Dan reaches other Dan. So it takes a little bit of kind of figuring it out and moving it around. So I know that round about that point is the most tense part. So move it along a tiny bit. And then what we get is a nice effect of it cutting to black, but the audio carries on afterwards. That's known as an L cut. So I'm just going to pop this screen in maximize frame just to give you a sense of that. Nice little effect.